My daily routine. I wake up every day at 6 o'clock in the morning. First, I stretch my body and then go to the bathroom to freshen up. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. After that, I wear clean clothes and get ready for the day. I usually eat my breakfast at 7 o'clock. My breakfast includes bread, eggs, or sometimes fruits. Then I check my bag and leave for school or work. I reach school at 8 a.m. I attend my classes and listen carefully to the teacher. I write notes and ask questions if I don't understand anything. At 1 p.m., I have lunch with my friends. We talk, laugh, and sometimes share food. In the evening, I return home, change my clothes, and take some rest. Then I do my homework or help with housework. After finishing all the work, I play games or watch TV for some time. I have dinner with my family at 8 p.m. After dinner, I read a book or revise my lessons. Finally, I brush my teeth again and go to sleep by 10 p.m. This is how I spend my day. A good routine helps me stay healthy and organized.
10 vocabulary words.
1. Stretch, to extend or straighten your body or limbs. Example: I stretch my body after waking up. 2. Freshen up, to wash and get ready for the day. Example: I go to the bathroom to freshen up. 3. Includes, contains as part of something. Example: my breakfast includes bread and eggs. 4. Attend, to be present at a place or event. Example: I attend my classes every day. 5. Carefully, with attention and focus. Example: I listen carefully to the teacher. 6. Revise, to review or go over something again, especially for study. Example: I revise my lessons before going to bed. 7. Organized, arranged or structured in an orderly way. Example: a good routine helps me stay organized. 8. Routine, a regular pattern of activities. Example: my routine starts at 6 o'clock every morning. 9. Homework, schoolwork done at home. Example: I finish my homework in the evening. 10. Return, to go back to a place. Example: I return home from school at 4 p.m.